Okay, so here I go. So first of all, Anmol will read about Introduction to Letter Writing, in which he will discuss what is letter writing and importance of letter. Then I will continue with types of letter and method of writing letter, in which I will discuss what are the classification of letters and the method writing, in which I will tell you a method using which you can write a good letter easily. Then Sarthak will continue with informal letter, which is our main topic of discussion for today, in which he will discuss format of informal letter and its different uses. Then Hardik will show you some examples and samples of informal letter. At last, Sakshi will do the activity part. I really hope that after our explanation, your all expectation regarding this topic from us are met. With this hope, now I would like to call Anmol from my team to introduce all of you to letter writing.
Hello everyone. As Sunidhi told us that we are going to discuss about informal letter writing. But let us first know what is letter. According to definition, a written or printed communication directed to a person or organization is called a letter. Now, when we talk about letter writing, it is an essential skill. Despite the prevalence of email and text message, everyone has to write letters at some point. For example, letter of complaints, job application, thank you letter, letter requesting change, and the list goes on. I request everyone to put their experience when they have written a letter in the chat box. Please write when the last time you used the letter. Thank you Satyendra for response. He has written the letter to MPB Nagar Nigam. Hughes has written the letter for assignment. Tarun written the letter to MPB. Now we'll proceed. When we talk about informal letters, these are the letters to friends and relatives or people who know you well. Informal letters have something different in it. The way the words get jumbled up when the writer's excited, the way the words get neat when writer is trying not to make a mistake, the way the words get pretty because the writer is in love, and it become more beautiful when it's handwritten letter. There is something special about putting letters into the post box and then having the letters delivered by the postman. The brightly colored stamp, seeing your name on the envelope, and knowing that inside is a long awaited letter from someone. It shows someone cares and has taken the time to sit down and think about you. Handwritten letters have a charm of their own. You can take time to think about what you want to say. You can keep letters to read again and again and share your dreams and thoughts. After knowing what is letter and letter writing, we will proceed to know purpose of writing a letter. A letter is usually written with the purpose to either provide information, convey a message, request for a task to be done, or to report about a situation. The purpose of writing a letter may be many and varied. We may write to inform, enquire, complain, request, thank, congratulate, direct, invite, explain, narrate, and so on. After knowing the purpose, we will go toward knowing the importance of letter. As we know, letter is important in many ways. Encourage children to write letters from an early age will improve their communication, social and handwriting skills and teach them what they need to know about writing and structuring letter. In historical way, letters are useful in the study of social histories and cultural histories of everyday life. In linguistic way, useful source for applying the written varieties employed by different writers. In literary way, a source for the literary analysis in terms of forms, composition, etc. And when letters are also important for reference in future and convenience for sharing emotion. While searching about importance of letter, I thought, why not? I will ask someone who have real life experience. So I went to my grandfather. He is the head of post office, and no one better than him can told importance of letter. He told that letter is the only way of communication that time. Many people came to him with the hope, asking, is there any letter came from their relatives or their son, daughter? In festive seasons, there are thousands of letters, but nowadays you just have to forward a WhatsApp message or a call. During the conversation, one thing which hits me hard, he said, if you really want to know the importance of letter, then ask a soldier or their family. They have to wait for months for to interact with their family or their child. So let's first see a short clip of letter from a soldier to his father.
Read between the lines. On 22nd June 99, जिसमें ये लिखते हैं कि got your inspiring letter on 14th June. Don't worry, I have yet to face an opponent who can win from me. That day can never come when I have to admit defeat. Fear was never in the dictionary you gave me as my dad. Well, you are 200% right. The ground air never hides anything. I have honed up my skill in the art of fighting with weapons, knives, and bare hands too. Don't worry because nothing ever worries your son. I am just worried about you all. Take care of yourself, and my gentlemen and officers promise that I will celebrate your 25th anniversary in August. Dad, take care of mom, and I know she worries a lot. You must be getting solid kicks for letting me join the army. Take care and keep smiling. It always makes me smile. Love, Anuj.
Here we can see that a brave soldier is sharing his feeling and thanking his family for their constant support and inspiration with showing his self-confidence. One more thing I would like to add, we can see the importance of letter is also conveyed to us via songs through of Bollywood. So I would like to invite Sakshi for a small activity and then we will proceed further.
Thank you, Anmol, for calling me. And hello, everyone. My name is Sakshi. As Anmol said, Bollywood has shown importance of letters through songs. Let's do a small activity here, and I want all my dear classmates to participate in this fun activity. Here, I will play a song, and you all have to guess which feeling or emotion, or we could say a message, is conveyed through this song. And please write down your answers in chat box after the song. Now, I would like to request Arthur to play the first song. Now, as you heard the song, I would like to see the responses. Missing hometown and loved ones, bravery and heartwarmingness. So,
Everyone,
that was
quick,
really
what
amazing.
emotion is there? Please, hurry up.
Uh, love for country and family. Okay, Tarun Chaudhary, missing home. Anyone else? Meghanshu, who sacrificed their time, their heart, warming love, and their loved ones. Mahima Jain, missing family. Himanshu Jain, missing the loved ones. Okay, so that was really amazing responses. Now, ma'am, I would like to know about what you think about this song. Ma'am?
साक्षी प्लीज पुट योर माइक लिटिल क्लोजर, आवाज थोड़ी सही नहीं आ रही है.
I said, ma'am, we would like to know about your thoughts for this song.
Well, this song, according to me, everyone has his or her own emotions and feelings. But over here, it brings in the feeling of patriotism. One, you feel for the person who is at the border, who is thinking about a small message bringing relief, bringing happiness, bringing information from their beloved, from the people they love. And these are the most awaited things in their life. Like we wait for something very, very special in our life. The soldiers are waiting impatiently for that one letter, and each day, the high point of the day is the coming of the letter. So you can imagine how important communication is, and how important and how heartwarming it can be. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Well, ma'am has given us really meaningful words. Now it's time for the second song. Sarthak, please play the song.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे
Well, Himanshu says emotion for his love. Manasvi says convey thoughts to partner, love, expressing love, showing the his love by letter, expressing the way of showing love, missing the beloved, missing his beloved love, about his feeling and for his mate. Well, they are really great responses. Ma'am, what do you think about this song?
Well, this song tells about how, I mean, I had never thought over how important letters could be. But yes, the previous letter was very awaited. But this one is more, awaited letter. Here, the lover is missing his beloved and he wants a letter from her. He's expecting a letter from her. Or he's saying, he's talking about the letter that he has written, I believe, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So he says that he is eulogizing those letters, how, those letters are like stars and moons and flowers, and he's comparing them to different things which we had never thought of. I mean, letters for us till now, till the time I really was brought into this mood, I used to think of letters as normal pieces of paper sending messages, informations. But the two songs that you gave and the importance that they gave to letters, they have compared them to such beautiful things, has really changed my outlook on what letters could be. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you everyone for participating. I had fun. Hope you all also feel the same. Now I would like to invite Anmol for continue the discussion further.
Thank you, Sakshi, for this really interesting activity. Now, as we know the importance of letter, do we know what is the future of letter writing? Is the art of letter writing is taking the back seat? Don't you find it astonishing that you may never be going to post office or to post a personal letter written to a friend or relative? Because nowadays everything is on phone. With the new trend of writing the email and a multitude of social media available for communication, the art of letter writing is taking the backseat. Much the burst of it, as letter writing is perhaps the most personal mode of communication. While some people called it old fashioned, but letter writing is still most important. It may be the most effective mode of expressing innermost emotion and sentiments within most intimately interactive environment. Here I want to share one of my real life experience. I was in my hostel. It's first time when I moved out of my home in my class 10th. The hostel environment is quite strict and the food is not too good. and we have allowed to talk to parents only 2 times in a week from a landline mobile in front of warden and other caretakers. So I don't feel comfortable to complain about the environment in front of them, as I have a fear that they will scold me later. So I used a letter to inform my parents about that situation. So this is point where in the generation, even in mobiles and other way of communication is available, I have to use letter writing. Although there are as varied form of informal letter as there are composers, there may not be any hard and fast rule. Nevertheless, there is a certain format which given how it should be written and what should be avoided to create an impactful piece of writing. So I have completed my part here. I would request Sunidhi to proceed further with the type of letter writing.